3 tips on how to make your marble shine. Dear friends, we know they're not competing with Snow White, but yellow is definitely not their color. If you don't like those tacky yellow stains smearing the elegance of your marble floors or tiles, watch on to find out how to bring their shine and sparkle back. Bake the stains with some soda. Natural marble is extremely porous. So, don't be lazy about cleaning up coffee or curry spills. However, if you've snoozed on mopping up those spills, then we've got a magic cleaning paste for you. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of water to make a paste. Gently rub the paste over the stain with the help of a soft bristle brush. Let it coat the stain for at least 2-3 hours, or leave it overnight. The baking soda draws out the grease from the floor. Scrape the coating off the next morning. Mop with a special mix of dishwashing liquid and baking soda. In a bucket of warm water, mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda with dishwashing liquid. Mop your marble floors with this mixture. Remove the leftover residue by mopping the floor again with clean water. We recommend doing this twice a week to maintain the shine of your marble floors. Don't ruin all your hard work by mopping the floors with a traditional chemical floor cleaner liquid on the other days. The acids and bleaches in traditional cleaners can re-stain your marble by reacting with the iron in your marble floors. Switch to a plant-based marble-friendly floor and bathroom cleaner instead. They leave behind no residue and don't leach into your marble to cause discoloration. Buff with chalk for that extra shine. Marble is a metamorphic rock, made up of carbonates like limestone. In simple terms, this means that marble is made up of many interlocked and crystallized carbonates. Chalk isn't just for blackboards. It's an easily available limestone carbonate. Hence, if you buff your marble floors with powdered chalk, with a damp sponge or microfiber cloth, it essentially replenishes your marble with its source material. If you've given these tricks a try, and have sparkling floors winking back at you, remember that maintenance is key. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.